So in this tutorial, I'd like to show you how can we add water in Unreal Engine to your project. So let's get down to it. So the first thing to do is going to be to enable an add-on. So we can go to Edit, jump down to Plugins, and here we need to search for water. And the third one here is the water plugin. It's an experimental stage. So I want you to click on it right here. So once you click on it to enable it, you're going to need to restart Unreal Engine. So I already did that. Let me just keep it check. So once you restarted Unreal Engine, so what you need to do, you can jump here to this add quick to the project and we can search here for water. And here we're going to be seeing all the types of water that you like. We can add the lake, the ocean, the river for the island. In my case, I like to use custom, so you can just click on water body custom so that I can adjust it to fit this area right here. And we need to scale it up. So this is the ocean that I got. So what we need to do, we need to jump to the details and I want you to increase the scale. We can lock the scale in so that we can only change one side, one axis, and all the other axes will be changed as well. So let me just set it here to 100. There we go. So I'm going to just push it to the center and we can increase that value up. So let me just set it to 500. All right, so there we go. So we got our ocean, but its material doesn't look that good. It looks faded. So we can work on it to make it look better. So with our water selected, we can jump here inside the details and we can search for rendering. So this is how you can adjust the material, the water material. So here you can see the water material inside the rendering tab. So I want you to double click on it. And inside the details, we can search for absorption. And we're going to be seeing this absorption panel. So here we can adjust the color, the red, green, and blue, but I suggest not touching these values. Instead, we can reduce the alpha to make it not transparent. So now our ocean looks transparent. So if you reduce that value, let me just do it. Here you can see the difference. There we go. So now we're making it darker and these edges, they look more better. Let me just go back. I'm going to just focus on the edge right here. So in my case, I suggest keeping it at 0.75. So now it looks much more better. So we got the faded edges and on the inside, it looks dark. So let me just reach my chip here. So you can see how the water looks like here. It looks really nice. Same thing if you dive in, you can be seeing that the water looks really good. So there we go. So this is the way to add water into your project in Unreal Engine.